Welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making red velvet donuts. They look fantastic and they taste great too. Start with 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Mix it all together in a bowl. Now add in the wet ingredients, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of red food colouring. Whisk that all up till it's nicely blended with no lumps. Perfect. Stick that in a food piping bag and we're going to pipe it into our donut mould baking tray. We have lightly greased this. Now we're going to bake at 180 degrees for 15 to 30 minutes. And they're ready. Time to glaze with some icing. We're just piping on some white icing, making a drip down the sides effect. Lovely. And sprinkle on some red velvet cake crumbs. Have fun with different designs. Here we're doing some stripes. And there you go! 6 beautiful and extra tasty red velvet donuts. Enjoy!